Good morning, guys. How are ya? Oh my gosh, my voice sounds so crinkly because I haven't spoken to anybody today. It's actually not that early. It's about 10:30. It's Saturday. I thought that it maybe would be fun to show you guys a little bit about how my weekends go. I'm about to take Chico for a walk. Chico slept a lot last night and he's just excited. Aren't you, honey? The sweetest, the sweetest. So this is where I usually take Chico for a walk. It's just this little parkette. It is such a beautiful day outside today. Okay, so I'm in my car and I'm about to head to the farmer's market. They have a really cute little farmer's market every Saturday. It's about 2 minutes from the house. So we're gonna head over there and see if they have anything fresh. Well, they obviously have fresh stuff at the farmer's market. I'm gonna see if they have any fruits or vegetables or some cool artisan bread or anything to bring home. So let's go.
Cool. A bunch of them, but even look at this, like this is coconut cream pie jam.
Oh my goodness. Coconut cream pie. That sounds so good. Maybe I should try that.
It's really sweet, but there's not that much sugar in it. The sweetness comes from the coconut cream that I put in there.
Do you just like it just like on toast or like how do you?
Sure.
Yeah?
Or on ice cream.
Oh my gosh, so cool.
And the reason that there's cows on the labels is because I raised these kind of cows.
Yeah.
So this little guy here
Yeah.
is my favorite bull. So
Oh my
he's on
gosh.
all these labels. This is him when he was 8 years old. He was about 10 in this picture.
Oh my god, that is so sweet. So just got home from the farmer's market and Chico always waits for me on the couch like this. Right, honey? I was only gone for about maybe half an hour. He's mad that I left, but anyways, I'm gonna show you guys all of the amazing stuff that I just picked up from the farmer's market. This awesome looking garlic. I love when garlic comes like this. And I also got these carrots that look like they were just plucked. They look like they're gonna be so delicious. I got this eggplant and these microgreens. So I think I'm gonna make a salad today with the microgreens, maybe some of the carrot, and these gorgeous little tomatoes. I couldn't resist. They are so cute. And they look delicious. I also got some corn. It was only $1 per piece. And he actually ended up giving me these two for free because the tops were ripped off, which I think was so sweet. So that was awesome. And I got some jam. I'm so excited about trying this jam. So I got a blue fig jam. And this has some spices in it, so that's really exciting. The jam vendor was so sweet. And I love that she doesn't use a lot of sugar in her jams because I really do like to cut down on sugar. And I'm pretty sure she was saying that this one is naturally sweetened, which is really awesome. Chico's just chilling on the couch. He's being a little couch monster like always. Right, my honey? Right? I actually really wanted to get a video done today. I know this is a video, but I wanted to do a little DIY for you guys. So I'm gonna be filming that soon, but I'm just gonna make some coffee right now, clean up the kitchen a little bit, and probably have a little snack or bite to eat because I haven't yet eaten breakfast. So when I steam milk for my coffee, I always use soy. This is my favorite brand type of soy milk. And I always add in just a little splash of this creamer because I find that it is super good, but it's a little too sweet for me on its own. So I'll just put both in my milk frother here, and then we'll froth it up. And even though it isn't real milk, it always comes out super frothy looking, and it's so delicious. That's so good. Cheers, guys. Okay. So Justin's working a night shift tonight, so I'm gonna pack him a nice healthy salad, and we're gonna put in some of this stuff. So I just finished making some salads for lunch and for Justin's lunch, work lunch. And he also made some chicken wings. So this is my lunch. I'm just gonna add some dressing to it. And then here is his chicken wings that he just made. He makes his own chicken wings and they are really good. And then there is his salad for right now, and his lunch salad. Okay, so we did end up eating lunch and just cleaning up the kitchen. Justin is just on his way out, and I am gonna start getting ready to head to my parents' house. Bye, babe, love you. Gosh, Chico is sad. This is always really cute, but look. Did Tino go to work? Okay, anyways, I'm bringing my grandma some corn. So I'm going to be using one of these guys. I love using these types of food carriers because they are perfect for packing vegetables and your food items. So I do have a bit of a long drive. It's an hour and a half to my parents' house. So I am going to be just making a coffee to take on my way in my Nespresso machine. I love this coffee machine. If you guys are considering buying an espresso machine and you haven't already, because of whatever reason, this is your sign. Go and buy it. It is phenomenal. So I've packed the car and this is so cute. So every time I bring down Chico's bed, he knows that we're going. So he tries to like jump on it. Get off, Bubby. I gotta get off the bed. Get off the bed. Come on. Anyways, so you can see he's just super excited because he knows that we're going. Come on, honey. Are we going? You ready to go? Okay, be good. Come on. I'll give you a hand. Hold on a second. There you go. Okay, so I'm in the car all ready to go. Chico is all nice and situated. This is how he loves to travel best. I'll just always bring his bed and he just kind of chills out. We do have an hour-and-a-half drive right now, so I have my coffee and I also brought some cookies. It's like a little snack, some ginger snaps. And for long drives like this, I love listening to Audible. I was really into podcasts for a bit and I still kind of am, but lately I've been listening to a lot more books. Right now I am listening to Cured, which is by Jeffrey Rediger. It's about the life-changing science of spontaneous healing. It is so, so interesting. I highly recommend it to anybody, healthy, unhealthy, anybody who just wants something interesting to read about. It is super, super cool, and I think it has some really valuable information about general health and how to be a healthy person. So anyways, I'm gonna go now. Okay, we just got home after a really long drive, or should I say to my parents' house, which is still home to me, so I say home. But Chico is so excited that we're here. He slept pretty much the whole way, and he always senses when we're coming up the street. So we're gonna go inside now. So I just got home, and a bunch of my family members are here. Ah! Look at my hair! It's okay. Look who's here. Wow, it's so dark in here.
Hello.
Hi. Hola. This is my mom. Look how sweet she is. 2 or 3 days ago I went to Winners and I found something that I think my aunt will really like, so she happens to be here. So let's see if she likes. So I'm just here with my mom. We're probably just gonna hang out and maybe watch a movie or something like that, right? Yeah. Okay, so it is around, I think it's 10:30 right now. Let's see. Okay, so it's 10:27. Everyone has gone to sleep or has left the house. I am ready for a movie in bed, so I think I'm just gonna put on a movie and drift off to sleep. Thank you so much for watching. I usually don't do this. I do more so DIY and recipe video. This was an impromptu, spontaneous vlog. So if you guys liked it, then let me know. If you guys want to see more videos like this, please subscribe. Please like the video and hit the bell so that you're notified every time I upload. Anyways, guys, I'll see you soon. Have a great night, day, whatever time of the day you're watching this. I hope that you're all doing really well and all the best. Bye.